First, let's create a login form data. So I'm going here under data folder. That you need to create a new file. That is, so login underscore data.js. Okay. So you can give. I'm just mentioning this. So whatever the data you want, and that data you can so even you can export the data whatever you are mentioning here, your username, password, to one more file we are going to create. So in that test config you can export that also if you want. Otherwise, just you can keep this data whatever you want. Yeah, I'm just export this to one more file we are going to create. Export constant login data. So login data equal to, so I want to export this file, right? So login data file I want to export. What data we need to keep here? Username, right? Username colon and so I forget what username we have given. Let me find out. So I think I have given Ramesh Key online, Ramesh and nobody have noted down. Just grade 1, 2, 3. Is that? Perfect. So Ramesh Key online. Just you can create your quickly. It doesn't take much time. And take this operator while mentioning. Next, password. So you can give a password also. Test @1, 2, 3. Even if you want, you can give the
tilde symbol or single code is anything fine, right?
single. It's a kind of single quote related, but backward. Even you can give the URL also if you want. So you can specify this URL also. But I want to give URL in the so there, right, in the so base URL there you can give. Otherwise you can give here also. But, let's so you can change later. Okay, if you want, we can change it later also. Okay. So the next one is next file is contact as form, contact form. So another file you can create, contact form.js. Export. It's one variable I'm giving. Contact equal to. So you can give all the name. So what is the name you want to give? So I want to give string, comma. Then, so what are the fields are there? Let's go and see what are the fields we have in the contactors. So name, email. So give the email. SQA online. at gmail.com. So you can give subject. So I'm just giving just subject. Next to message body. Just a message body.
Is it possible to give all the pages data in one single file without creating different pages?
That is how is it going to be possible? What you are making more complex? I already told you in the beginning classes also, and given my Oracle example also on that time. You should not do, and you are going against the violation of a page object model concept. That's a big blunder, right? You should not do that. And don't you think it is more complex? All the pages data you are giving in one file.
Okay. If we need any changes means we'll go to a respective page and we'll update that value.
Which is easier, which is why you want to make it so complex? If you put all the elements in one page, what will happen? Where you will identify?
Okay.
That's a
Okay, sir.
worst behavior of page object model. We never do such kind of concept. If you do, you will face a lot of problems. And we have seen that, I have seen that personally in Oracle when before I take up this the page object model concept. I strongly recommend each page separate class should be there. So it will be very easy and you can easily identify, okay, this element belongs to which one. If suppose the same name will be there in two different pages, what you will do?
No. I'm not asking the. I mean, POM dot. I mean, page objects identification and their
Oh, this
methods.
data
This
also
data
you are telling. What you are asking, putting all the place in one file. Which one you are asking?
data,
Data. That
data,
is
sir.
also blunder. You should not do that.
Okay.
So more no modularization, more easy to understand. So if the data grows, what you will do?
Okay.
You should not do that.
Okay, sir.
Even recently also we got in one of my Cypress project, and they are given very clearly and the files are very big, and it's very difficult to understand. Lot of comments we got. Then we broke down like this.
Okay.
Even same page class we are not allowed to keep in the entire code also. You have to be very careful and you have to broke down immediately. You should not make it a very bigger file. Breakdown. That's what the modularization concept. Very important, this modularization concept. While in the framework that comes into picture, so priority you have to give for that modularization. We should not do that. That's a wrong approach if you are doing. And for us, it took a lot of time to broken down into modularization format, and it took almost months for that. Again, if you change one place, it will break another place. That's a problem. In the beginning itself, you have to be very careful and properly organized so that it will be easy. To even understanding purpose also very easy for the people. And you are not following that all these best practices, and you are going to face a lot of issues from the people. Never do that. Keeping everything in one file. That's a biggest mistake. You're thinking only, sir, this very small data. Real applications, you won't get a small data. Okay? You have a lot of data will be there. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Sriyari, you want to add
Thank you.
something?
What, sir?
You raised a hand. Okay. You want to add anything, or you just raise it on by mistake?
Yeah, by mistake I had. No.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So you have to add one file, right? We have file path. So this file, you need to upload a file. So a file, I think we kept somewhere this file, right? While writing, I think visual test data here, I think we kept here. Yeah, you can put this any file, okay? So this file, I can give this one there. Visual data. Slash and the file name. What is the file name? Sale banner. Okay. Next. So what is the file next? And yeah, once you submit, you will get a success message. And message also, see, you should not hard code somewhere. It has to go from file only. This kind of any static text that also you have to put inside the files. Call from here. Okay, call from here. So that's the best practices.
Okay, now we are uploading sale banner image. Okay. If we want to upload anything, we need to keep in this project directory only.
Yeah,
By
project
creating this.
directory only you have to keep, not in your local system.
Okay, sir.
Success. So we will get a success message, right? I think anybody remember that? I was quickly finishing. Yes, subject, test, something. So this is the message I want to take it up. Yeah. So that's all. As of now, these two data mostly we remember, right? And products also if you want. So you need to give even a card numbers, mobile numbers, anything you can. Yeah, in the payment we have to give some data, right? So payment credit card data. So we have to give credit card data also. Or so and so once we submit, yeah, card piece, we go card piece. Okay, products, first add the products. So add to cart, continue shopping, add to cart, view cart. Okay, so this one. Proceed to checkout. We have to give some order data, right? So this is the one. You have to give this payment information, right? This is the payment information. So you can give payment information and what products also we are, maybe product data we can keep it somewhere. And so I can give this payment data, one we can create. So our order data, you can put order data otherwise, right? So we are logged in as this also we have to verify. So you can take this also into one variable, and then so what products you are buying, the product name you can give in another one. So order name, so what order name you want to give, and in mobile number and everything. So but let's give this order data. I'll just put order data. So as of now I'm just putting this card data only. Remaining, if you want, you can order data equal to, so this one. So I'm just putting this name also, expected username equal to, so I'm just keeping message, comma, next. So whatever we are, name on card, right? So name on card, I'm just taking this. I'll just put card equal to, so I'll just give message. Okay, so what is the mistake we did here? Colon you have to keep. So here equal to are not allowed in JavaScript, okay? Colon you have to use. Immediately see it is the red color you are getting. If you make any mistakes, you can catch easily. So next one, card number. You can just give any random numbers. Okay. And then what is the next one? CVC. So just give that. Next, what is the next one? Expiry month and year. Expiry month, expiry month. I'm just giving 0 to expiry year. So 2028. Yeah. So we need to store even. So once you give all this data, right? 2, 3, 4, sorry, this one is here. This one I'm going to do. We want to store success message also. 7, so 0 to 2028. Place the order. See, we got this one. So store this confirmation message. right? So that's all. If any data extra you want, you can always come here and add, free to add here, right? So that's a order data is done. So any products you want to add, let's add products. So we have to go to here, go to products. So which products you want to buy, that products. So I will add this product, blue top and men t-shirt. These two products I will add. Product, multi-product. So you can just add it. So quickly we can complete this and we can close. Multi-product .js. So it's just an array I'm giving. In the array inside you can create a multiple. So each one is an array. Like this you can store arrays, right? So here you can give product name and what is that we decided? Blue top, right? Any other thing you want. Let's take this one otherwise. This is the one product. And another one, I'm just keeping this as it is. So one more product I'm giving. I'll take this one. Okay. So we're done with the data. And then we can do tomorrow test cases. Our utils also will see. Utils as of now we can just environment variables, we can write all of them, which environment you want to run, different environments we can place under this environment, and we can use that in the different places. So that I'll show you how to call these things. Okay, yeah. So that's it for the day, and let's